I'm gonna show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare. So to get started, you have to open Cloudflare first and then go to your account, and then from here just have to click on get started right here, and then from here just have to enter your domain. So go to your godaddy.com and then go to your my products, and then find your domain right there. Then once you find your domain right there, just have to copy the domain. Just click on DNS and then manage DNS, and then copy your domain right here. Then once you copy that, you just have to paste it on your Cloudflare. And then after that, you just have to choose a plan, which is going to be, you can also choose free plan. So you just have to click on free and then click on continue. And then once you're continued, you'll be redirected again to a page. So it will just wait for it to load. And then from here, scanning for your DNS. From here, just have to copy to continue. And then from there, just have to not active on Cloudflare yet, so just have to copy or your name viewers here. So from here, just have to go to name servers on your DNS management, and then from click here, change to name servers, and then you just have to use your own domain. So you just have to copy the domain from Cloudflare there, and then copy the other one too for Cloudflare, and then paste it on your GoDaddy domain. And then once it's saved, all you have to do is just wait and then confirm and verify. And then from here, a code will show up to your email. So it will just email you and then show up. And then after that, you just have to click on verified once you input the code. And then once you're done with that, success, your request is in progress. So you just have to wait most likely 24 hours to verify. And then from here, just have to save all the settings. And then from here, just also have to check it and then click on save. And also this one, just have to save, do the same thing. Then once you're done with that, you just have to click on finish. And once you're done with that, you have now connected your GoDaddy domain to your Cloudflare.